another
What's going on, good people?
Alright, open them up, open them up.
Oh!
This video is brought to you by the Wandering Bohem.
Here we are again. What's going on, good people? Thank you so much for coming to another episode. Sorry for the wait, but we are back at it again. Now, today's a very special episode. We're doing another one for the Queen. This time, we're doing some Adidas Originals, and this one's fun because it's an art form I've never done before. So it's actually pop art with a little mixture of comic book style, and I've never done anything like pop art, but I pride myself in calling myself the raw talent because, you know, I like to dive into things, whether I've done it before or not, and make the best out of it. So it's going to be really fun watching me do all this detail because this is a custom where so far the most color and detail and just how each shoe is different but coincide with each other. You know, this is like the biggest custom I've done so far with so much color and detail and pop, and I've gotten a lot of great feedback for it on Instagram, so I'm happy to be dropping here on YouTube, showing you guys how I make it. With the narrative, the narration, it might not be a whole lot because there's so much going on, so I'm pretty much going to kind of just give you a broad spectrum of what's going on in each little section that I'm doing and just kind of let you enjoy it come together. And then we're going to have some fun with the misses when I do the reveal to her. You'll see firsthand the reveal of what she thought and how she liked it. So, why waste any time? We can get right into it. See you soon.
Alright, so getting right into it, we're starting out with our wild panel, and I'm just laying down some colors of neon orange and other colors that pop because we want to give a lot of vibrant colors and pop to this piece because it's comic book and pop art, so we don't want any kind of dulling. And we're just kind of coloring our comic book bubbles as well as adding in our pop art dots around the while. And then of course we're going to color in our background for this panel. And I really love using the toothpick method for the dots because it gives you like some nice clean finish, really pinpoint dots and clean lines. Next, we're going to start shading the lips with different shades of red, and we're using both acrylic paint pens and ASHUTOSH paint for the entire shoes, and I'll leave a link in the description below to a link for those products. And then with this one, we're kind of doing a swirl of the lines for the lips. And then next, we're going to do our third panel on this side of the shoe, which is our pop art candy. And of course we're doing different shades of pink so we can add some depth to the vibrant colors. Next, on the inside of the shoe, we're going to do our comic book bubbles. So each panel is going to have a different color background and different bubble, which is the action bubble, the speech bubble, and the thought bubble. Let's go back to the candy so we can do our outline for all three panels because we want to give some depth as well, and it's really going to make the colors pop with that solid black outline. Next, we're going to do some dots in the background of candy, but we're going to move on to the next shoe, and we're doing a coloring of our thought bubble in letters with our acrylic paint pens and our pop dots as well. And next, we're going to be coloring our lipstick, and we're going to add some dots to that as well for more flavor. And then lastly, our heart with the pop art thunderbolts. A lot of this was freehand and then just coloring in, and then we're going to take our toothpick with ASHUTOSH white and start to add some highlights for a little more depth and pop. And then we're going to color in our speech bubbles and our exclamation point and question mark on the inside of the opposite shoe as well with the colored in backgrounds. The Wandering Bohem is a black-owned business that offers alternative and holistic services and products. They carry a variety of products for natural healing and soothing needs, as well as various crystals and candles. They also offer spiritual coaching, tarot card readings, and workshop for holistic healing lifestyle. Be sure to also check out their magazine that is offered in both print and digital, and their podcasts where they talk to business owners and fellow creatives and give them a chance to offer advice and support to others. Be sure to check out their latest episode where I'm interviewed and I talk about my journey through a career path in art. There's also a free crystal with every order. Be sure to also check them out on Instagram. Their social media and website links will be included in the description below. Attention! The following is footage of my wife's reaction to her new shoes. Also included is fun footage of us testing out the camera lighting. Note that my wife is shy and gets really silly when nervous, but her sense of humor is something I love, hence why I married her. Please enjoy the fun.
For real?
Yeah. Alright, we are rolling. Don't worry about bloopers, I'm gonna edit it. Alright, baby, you ready? Here we are once again. Got us another
What's going on, good people?
Excuse me, that's a trademark. Don't get sued.
Here to bring you another video today. Add some flavor to it, you know. Put some sauce on these shoes, you know.
Some sauce?
Somebody hit me up. They was like, you know, I want to add some flavor to it. And I was like, this is what I do. I add flavor to it, you know.
What celebrities have you worked with?
You know, I work with Broken World.
Broken World. Shout out to
Work with Chester Brown.
Shout out to Keith, Broken World, man.
Add the flavor, you know. I add flavor to it.
And say, no, you say I add sauce to it, you know. It literally drips off the shoe, so careful while you walk. Gonna leave a track.
Dad
Footsteps.
jokes. Do.
Well, here we are.
Yeah.
Got you some new shoes that
Got
I
my
did for
Yamu
you.
hands.
You ready? All right.
See, the part that he actually gonna put me in, I'm gonna be nervous.
All right, you ready?
Alrighty.
Close your eyes. Grab me your hands. Me your hands. Me your hands.
Oh.
I gotta put it somewhere. Alright, open your eyes.
Oh, got the netty on the box.
Look at this
And,
eyes.
oh, bam. Oh, can you add a sound effect like bam?
Yeah.
Thank you. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh. Pow. Okay.
Alright, open them up. Open them up.
Oh, can't be too loud. The boys asleep. These are dope. Look at the lip. Yo, these are hot. Just what I wanted, baby.
Yeah, you like those, baby?
Oh, these, yo, like, you did that. You did. Oh, hold on. Wow. Boom. Nah, he's a dope baby. Like, I'm messing with you. Yo, these are just what I want. It's like a little comic book strip. Like old school Batman. Because you know the inspiration behind it. Because we do like Love and Hip Hop. Because you know, I hit him up and I was like, you know, I need flavor to it. Because Love and Hip Hop. Because you know, I hit my man up and I was like, you know, I need to add some flavor to it. And he was like, sure, boo, that's what I do. And I was like, I like comic books. And he was like, I like comic books too. That's just how we met. But these...
All that's going on.
Is
all
really?
of this, yes. All of this. All of this.
Now you see why we work. But normally I'm quiet and reserved. But I don't know what part he's gonna leave in, what part he's gonna take out. So, but nah, these are dope though, baby. Like these remind me of like the old school like Batman.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about? Like Bruce.
Adam West.
Yeah, Adam West, aka the man from Family Guy. Like, oh, you should do a clip of him.
I'll put a little picture of him.
Yeah.
Hold your hand out. Hold your hand out. No, like you presenting something.
Oh.
There he is, right there.
But nah, these are really good. It's cool knowing that you're gonna edit this. I don't know what part's gonna be in here.
Right, all of this.
Wait, what?
I'm playing.
Oh, okay. But nah, like baby, these are awesome. Like I love these. Like these are exactly what I wanted. Like it's giving me like old school comic book strip, like pop art. Like
Glad you like them, baby.
Like these are dope. Like look at the question mark. Like nah, baby. Like I'm gonna wear these tomorrow.
Hey.
Like these, you got the before, right?
I mean, it was all white, so yeah.
Nah, these are cool, baby. Like, I'm lucky, baby. Thank you.
Oh, no problem, baby. I love it.
I love you, baby. Thank you.
All right, tell the people what they need to do.
All right, so what you need to do is... All right, so when you going to make a pop-up? What you need to do is hit him up on...
I'm telling you right now, they wake up and you put them back to sleep.
YouTube.
Okay, hold on. You pay.
Facebook.
Okay.
I don't know where you're going to make him pop up at. Or something else. Oh, on his TikTok.
That I've only got like 4 posts on.
But he about to have more. TikTok.
Am I?
Instagram. Facebook. YouTube. MySpace. Black Planet. He on every platform.
Every platform.
Every platform. All of them.
LinkedIn.
He puts,
AOL.
right.
Yahoo.
Yahoo. Because he puts the flavor on it. Here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Who's out? The new flavor in your ear. Hey, you gonna put the music there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, I don't want to write that music.
My baby puts flavor on it. So if you need some shoes customized, hit him up. Hit him up.
Say, comment, like, share, and subscribe.
Comment, like, share, subscribe. Please, we have kids to feed. I love you. Now come in the camera. Come in the camera too.
Okay.
Come on, Neo and bro.
I don't think it's fresh as you.
We match though. Look. We match.
You call me over here.
I know. I love you.
Love you too.
I'm proud of you. You're amazing. Thank you for everything, baby. Alright, now the magic about to happen. Like, share, subscribe.
Probably not even looking at you. Oh, it is. That thing is dope. Like, I'm gonna do all makeup tutorials.